Hello, today we'll be going over how to adjust the slip clutch on your CoverPools T4 system. The slip clutch is designed to slip if the cover runs too far in either direction, which prevents possible damage. You may need to adjust the slip clutch if the cover pauses as it travels across the pool or will not fully open or close. This often happens after first installing the pool cover. Before adjusting anything, make sure the problem isn't something else interfering with the cover. Water on the cover, a low pool water level, bad track pulleys, or dirt and debris in the track can all cause the cover to pause as well. Once you have checked to make sure nothing else is causing the cover to pause, you can then adjust the slip clutch. All you need to do is tighten both bolts on the clutch equally by turning the nuts clockwise in 1/8-inch turn increments. Start with small adjustments. After adjusting both bolts, try to open or close the cover. If the clutch slips before the cover is completely open or closed, you'll need to adjust again. Be careful not to tighten the clutch too much. This will cause it to not slip if the cover is overrun. But if this does happen and the clutch isn't slipping when it should, you'll need to loosen the bolts. You can do this by evenly turning the nuts counterclockwise in 1/8-inch turn increments. Again, start with small adjustments and test the cover after each one. And that's how you adjust the slip clutch on your pool cover.